Good morning, everybody. Looking for somebody to do the canvas work for me, and I came across M&M Boats. These guys not only they sell boats, but they do a lot of work with the boats. Like if you have a canvas issue or if you need motor work done, they also work on the gel coats and everything, and they also do the engine repairs. Coming to the M&M Boats. One thing I like about these guys is I was thinking that I have to do a new Bimini top, but these guys use my old Bimini top and told me not to spend any extra money and they can repair my Bimini top, which was actually a good thing. So I have confidence and recommendation for these guys. Like if you need to do any kind of work or buy a boat or anything, I highly recommend. Just to show you quick around, they have these brand new boats, tidewater boats, and they have all these brand new boats over here. They also sell second-hand boats. And now we're gonna walk into their office, and I can show you around. So here is my top that I brought to these guys at M&M Boats. So I brought my old top. They replaced some of the zippers on it. They restitch everything. If you can see, everything is restitched, and they make it look new in fact. And they also asked me to bring my curtains, the front and the side curtains, so they can attach the curtains to the top and make sure everything works good. They do all kind of work over here. They have props. You can bring your props to balance them out. They have this whole shop, canvas shop. Anything you need for canvassing, they can do it. They also do repair business. If you have a problem with your boat, you can bring it here. They can fix it. Gel coat repairs, anything you need. They have a whole garage, and they can do anything and everything that you need. I'm on top of one of the new boats. This one is a 22 foot with 300 horsepower motor. The one that I'm on right now is a 23 footer Tidewater. This is 2019. Really nice boat. So we can look at the price for this one, the 23 foot, and this is the boat one over here is 2020. So we'll look at the price for that boat too. So not only they sell new boats, but they have used boats here also. For instance, this Crown Line is a really clean boat and is listed for $17,000. Is a 2003. Is a cuddy cabin, 23 foot. I'm sure if you follow M&M Boats, you have seen the video of this boat. And I know Mike was talking about this really clean boat. In fact, it does look like a clean boat. Is inboard, outboard. Yes, it is inboard, outboard. And listed for $17,000. So I'm sure Mike put a lot of details online for this boat, but I'm going to just show you quickly around. There's that Crown Line with a cuddy cabin. So I highly recommend M&M Boat for any or every kind of boat need you have. Come and see Mike. Very nice guy, good people here. Highly recommended. Thank you guys.